My betalicious person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time when this video take reach you. I welcome you to Favors blog, and this na Open Heavens daily devotional in Pidgin English. For Saturday, will be the 21st day of September 2024. Our topic we will consider today now: submission versus cooperation. Submission versus cooperation. And our Bible text for today now from Ephesians chapter 5 from verse 22 go reach 33. We go read them together. Una wey be wife, make una dey respect una husband just as una dey respect Jesus Christ, because na the husband be the wife head, just as Christ na the head of the church, and na him save the body. As the church dey submit to Christ, na so too wives suppose to dey submit to their husband for everything. Husband, make una love una wife just as Christ love the church, come sacrifice him life for am, so that he go fit make am clean through baptism and God word. He do like this so that the church go be like wife wey fine well, wey no get any stain, dey do anyhow or get any other thing wey fit spoil am. Na so too, husbands suppose love their wife like their own body. Man wey love him wife love himself. Nobody don ever hate your body, but he dey feed and care for am, just as Christ dey care for the church, because we be part of your body. Na because of this one, man go leave him papa and him mama, go join him wife, and the two of them go be one flesh. This secret wey I dey tell una so, e big well, but na the thing wey dey between Christ and the church na him I dey talk about. So each man suppose love him own wife just as he love himself, and every wife suppose respect him husband. Our memory verse for today na from 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 5. 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 5. You know how we go do? You go read after me. The women for olden days dey holy, because dem put their hope for God and they respect their husband. Make we enter today's message. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell. Marriage is a very beautiful gift from God. God designed it to bring joy and fulfillment to the two people wey dey inside. Like every other gift from God, it dey come with manual, which is the word of God. For inside today's Bible reading, description of how husband and wife supposed to dey relate to each other dey for inside step by step. Bible say husband supposed to love their wife as Jesus Christ take love the church, while wife supposed to submit to their husbands. Many women don't understand what submission really mean. They say that they submissive, meanwhile na cooperation na they do. Cooperation mean say you agree with wetin your husband tell you because you want the same thing. Submission mean say you go comply with him wish even though you don't agree. Many women dey find it difficult to submit to their husbands because society dey talk about gender equality. However, this not wetin Bible talk about marriage. Make we know say submission not be slavery or not be servitude. Rather, na voluntary act of respect and obedience from wife to her husband as the head of the family. When you dey obey your boss for office, not because you be slave, but na because hierarchy dey for inside the office wey you must follow so that things go jejeje. Oyibo people go talk say two captains no fit dey for one boat. As wife, your husband na be the captain of the marriage wey una dey. And when you submit, this one na key ingredients wey go make sure say your marriage go dey sweet and e go dey go smooth like butter. Many years ago, when I dey preach well for university, e get woman wey go always dey come complain give me about her husband, say her husband too stubborn, the man too stubborn, the man too this, the man too that. And he come ask me say abeg make I pray so that stubborn spirit go fly comot for your husband body. After some time, I come decide say I no go pray for am again. I come tell her say when you reach house, put food for dining table, make you call her your head, make you tell her say make e come chop. When they sit down for the table, give her a bowl of water, kneel down make e wash him hand for inside. She come say lie no way oh, no way. In na professor, me sef I be professor, we be the same. I come reply and say if you want my help you go take my advice. She come decide say she go do am. At first her husband come dey wonder whether she put egbele kokomiyo inside the food. She come tell her say na my pastor na him teach me wetin I dey do o. All of a sudden that stubborn husband come soft like today bread. He come even follow her come church the next Sunday and come give him life to Jesus Christ. And since that time their marriage just dey sweet. Wetin we go take from today message as our key point? The thing wey we go note today be say submission no be slavery, na sign of wisdom for better marriage. Na here we take come to the end of today's topic. No forget our topic na submission versus cooperation, and na from inside Open Heavens Daily Devotional wey be like say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, write. Na dem we for take the message, and na your darling station Favours Blog na im bring you today's message. Abeg make you no forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you never do that one, and then make you on the notification bell so that anytime when we drop new video you will be one of the first persons them to know. And we want to say thank you to all our subscribers. The Redeemed Christian Church of God Youth and Young Adult Affairs invite you to the International Youth Convention 2024, and the theme na Dominion. 30th of September to 4th of October 2024 na be the date. Pastor E.A. Adeboye and other anointed ministers of God don tanda gidigba for the redemption city of God to give you God word wey go make you dominate for life. All you need to do na to scan the code wey dey show for your phone right now and register to attend. Don't forget say na 1 week free feeding and accommodation for everybody wey go attend this ogbongelicious program. But in case you no fit attend, you fit still register and watch am online on top Dove television for your GoTV or your any of your decoder wey you get, and you fit also watch am for YouTube and for Facebook as well as Instagram live. And also on top your Favours Blog, we go dey give you live update from the camp. Until we come your way again with another better licious video, make you no forget say God create you to dominate.